Yeah, we definitely. Yeah, we definitely learn from us sisters.
How much they bother us. This is gonna be interesting. Oh shit. Turn the camera off for a second.
Hope you guys enjoy this video.
What?
No, I was just telling people, hope you enjoy this video.
Is this a live thing or is this?
No, I'm gonna edit it. Yeah, past there.
Yeah, see up there?
Yep.
There's the fire station.
Yep. Up there. You okay?
Yeah, it's just really slippery. Did you sleep anywhere?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to go through that shit.
So, we have to remind ourselves to follow the fire department.
Yeah.
What time is it? 3? We have a lot of time.
Just like Jurassic Park. Except without the dinosaurs.
I should totally do like the whole Steve Irwin on camera. You should be totally doing that. I'm not even gonna find out what's living in there.
There's a hole.
I don't know.
Hey, there's a Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Alright,
And it's a pack of cigarettes.
you can stop recording. Good day. So today we're on this bike trail in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the bush, and we're gonna go wildlife hunting. So here goes nothing. Let's go down there, shall we? That goes to a house, because that goes to the cemetery. We're gonna have to go the opposite way.
Heading back. Alright guys, so we walked a little bit into the woods, if you know what I'm saying. All this graffiti, if you guys not down there. My friend Jake. Yeah, as you can see, you can hear my voice, like, it's pretty crazy. All this graffiti. Yeah, this might be, it'll probably be like one more video, and then that'll probably be it. We walked around, talked, stuff like that. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, follow me bug my eye. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Follow Jake as well. What's your YouTube channel?
And a Facebook. I don't have a Twitter though.
No, your YouTube channel.
Oh, Jacob Reporter.
Follow him, give him a good follow, watch his videos. And yeah, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out. Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter. I have a YouTube page.
Oh, nice. What's the page?
Just my name, Jacob Reporter.
Do you post videos, or?
I do.
Oh,
This is
cool.
where it gets slippery. My sister actually walked here and she told me,
Yeah,
I've never been back here. She's like, it's really dangerous.
I've never been back here either.
Yeah, she's like, it's a really dangerous stuff. Which it is.
Luckily, I got my my normal shoes, so
That's what I'm wearing too.
even though mine are Nike, these are like. What is that? Some kind of bug, maybe.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. Holy crap, it's all over me.
There's a blanket.
I could use it to wipe myself off. If you go straight and under where the fire department is, there's a trail under there.
Okay. Alright guys, we're going through another trail. We're just not. We're not gonna do that.